if you ask me honestly, I mean, uh, the the best trade so far in crypto would be hodl for everyone, right? If you would just bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you never traded, you would have all this free time for yourself. You wouldn't be looking at any charts, and you would be at all-time highs right now. So that would be definitely the best trade, right? Most people who try to be smarter than the market, including myself, probably didn't perform as well as just holding, right? And I think that's one of the funny things, right? People are always trying to look for what is the best trade, but in crypto so far, the best trade would be no trade, right?
Right.
Just buy and buy and hold. I think not many people can outperform the market, on my personal opinion, which is not necessarily true, right? I'm not a specialist. I'm not going to Aluna's database to see who is outperforming the markets. I mean, it's a hard tell. I think Alvin probably have his own opinion about it as well.
I mean, 90 plus percent of people lose money trading. So I think it's not a question about identifying what kind of people are more suited for active trading, but rather, it's really a personal preference, whether you have that time to be trading full time, whether you can build up the discipline and that system to actually make it consistently profitable. But yeah, I mean, there is a lot of opportunity in crypto, and I mean, you see altcoins going up like 100% a day, and of course, people want to jump on these opportunities and try to out trade the market. But unfortunately, 80-90% of people probably gonna underperform the market